Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to switch your mount point on the fly in the field in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I did before the video began is I connected up to a network rover, and I'll just link to, in the top right corner here, a couple of videos on how to link up to a network rover. But what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the top right corner here and hit the wrench, screwdriver, and 3 switches. And if I go to my link information option here, that's going to bring up my base station, and you can see I'm currently connected to a reference station that is 533,000 meters from my current position. It's in Saskatoon, and I'm here in Calgary. So what I want to do is I want to switch to the base station that's in our office here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit OK, go back into my menu here and hit this select mount point option, which is going to bring up all of my N-trip caster options. And you can see here that there is a Cal 2 option. So I'm going to select that one and hit select and make sure that I have my current and correct mount point information selected here. It's going to load me back to my map screen. And if I head back into my instrument settings here and hit link information, you're going to see that instead of 533,000 meters, I'm going to be 5 meters from my base station as it is on the desk next to me. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the instrument settings menu to quickly switch your FieldGenius. But that is everything for today's video. That is how you use the instrument settings menu to quickly switch your mount point on the fly. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or on this YouTube channel, please give me a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.